Welcome back. Toward the end of the last section, we mentioned mutually exclusive sets without explaining what they are in detail. Well, mutually exclusive sets are sets which are not allowed to have any overlapping elements. Graphically, their circles never intersect. During the last couple of lectures, we introduced some important characteristics of such events. Mutually exclusive sets have the empty set as their intersection. Therefore, if the intersection of any number of sets is the empty set, then they must be mutually exclusive, and vice versa. What about their union? If some sets are mutually exclusive, their union is simply the sum of all separate individual sets. Okay. Earlier in the course, we also mentioned how events have complements. In a similar way, sets have complements too. Such complements consist of all values that are parts of the sample space, but not part of the set. For instance, imagine a set consisting of all the odd numbers. Its complement would be the set of all even numbers. One thing to remember about complements is that they are always mutually exclusive. However, not all mutually exclusive sets are complements. For instance, imagine A is the set of all even numbers, and B is the set of all numbers ending in 5. We know that any number ending with 5 is odd, so these two sets are definitely mutually exclusive. However, the complement of all even is all odd, and not just the ones ending with 5. Therefore, a number like 13 would be part of the complement, but not the set B. After this short clarification, we are ready to dive deeper into probability theory. In the next lecture, we are going to explain the differences between independent and dependent events. Thanks for watching.